At the Grapestompers in Temecula, California, at their Senior Civic Center, excuse me, Temecula. Here, I'll even zoom in on this. There we go. There we are. And I'm here with the co-presidents, and you guys are, what's your name?
I'm Mike Chambers.
And?
Mary Chambers.
Hi, guys. And
Hi.
I understand this is your installation dance. That means that you're installing the new presidents, right?
Well, we haven't found any yet.
So you probably, so we're going to just do another year, right?
Yeah.
All right, great. Well, how often do you guys dance? Once a month, or?
We dance the third Saturday of every month here down on Pool Show in Old Town Temecula. It's the community center. We got a really exciting dance coming up next week. We have Hunter Keller out of Montana.
Next month, though.
Next month. Sorry.
Next month. All right. All right. But and he's a lot of fun to dance to, and he's got a big following, and it's really exciting. You have a class coming up?
Well, our class is continuing. We are in the plus phase. We meet every Monday night at the Mary Phillips Senior Center.
That's here in Temecula, right?
That's correct.
All right, great. And the club has been together how many years?
30.
30
years.
years, that's right. All right, great.
30 years.
All right, and
Way before I was born.
yeah, way before nobody here will raise their hand. Well, it's been great speaking with you guys, and looking forward to having more fun tonight at your installation dance.
Right,
and maybe we'll have some nominations from the floor. No.
Well, we already had the election last month, so it's too late. But
Too late now.
Maybe we'll find somebody to replace us next year. So.
All right. Well, you do a great job, and that's why you keep
thank
asking
you,
you back. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Andy.
Thank
I
you.
understand you're president now, so be careful. It could take years.
It's contagious.
Yes, it is.
All right, thanks a lot. Here tonight at the Grapestompers installation dance, and I'm here with the caller, and you are, sir?
Ken Bauer.
Hi, Ken. How are you tonight?
Very good.
Well, it's good to see you. I always love coming out to see you and dance to you.
Well, thank you.
My pleasure. Tell me, how long have you been calling?
49 years.
God, 49 years. My goodness. Well, that sounds pretty good. And what level do you call up to?
Well, we call up to A2.
A2, basically, yeah. And are you currently teaching in?
Not teaching at this time. It's summertime right now. I plan another class in the fall.
And where are you from?
Well, from Palm Desert, California, but we teach dancing and call dancing mostly in Hemet.
In Hemet. Okay, that's a little bit distance away, but not too bad, down here in Southern California.
Yes.
Well, here in Temecula, we enjoy having you here tonight. What labels have you been you call on?
Well, I call on several labels. Rhythm Records, called some on Riverboat Records, Crown, and was on Chaparral for quite some time, and several others, yes.
Oh, 49 years, you've probably been around a few labels.
I love recordings.
Well, hey, and we love to hear your voice. It's a fabulous voice.
Well,
Keep up the good work and do all you do for square dancing, and looking forward to seeing you again soon, too.
Well, thank you, Andy, and all you do for square dancing.
Well,
you do a superb job.
All right, thanks.
Gonna promenade to go once inside the ring I'm singing. Come on back and swing there with your day. Join them up and circle it down. Go moving round the ring you travel. Left out in your corner, weave around that ring. Should have been a freight train, honey. Should have been a diesel locomotive. I'd whistle on down the track and come crashing through your door. Should have been a jet plane, honey. Should have been a 747 streaking through the skies and come flying through your door. It goes promenade the ring halfway around. Diamond and square through the four hands you go. Four hands around the ring. Then let that do I sing. Here left and Ferris wheel. Square through how many? Oh, three. Swing your corner lady round and you promenade four hands. Should have been a freight train, honey. Should have been a diesel locomotive. I'd whistle on down the track and come crashing through your door. It goes promenade the ring halfway around. Diamond and square through the four hands you run. Go all the way in time. And like let's do and turn them. Pass through, trade by. Touch your border. Scoot back and you go. Swing under the corner, girl, and you promenade back home. Should have been a freight train, honey. Should have been a diesel locomotive. I'd whistle on down the track and come crashing through your door. Four girls promenade the ring and you walk down, go on down. Come back and swing there with your day. Join them and circle left you go, and they're moving, walking round you know. Now I'm in that corner, they're gonna weave around that ring. Should have been a freight train, Jimmy. Should have been a diesel locomotive. I'd whistle on down the track and two couples promenade to go halfway around the same. Square to a game. It's overhang, go round the floor, it's all the way around the window, and right or left view and turn, let's close down. Pass through, trade by, go clear across, swing your corner, lady, walks around and promenade. That lady crown should have been a jet plane, height should have been a 747, streaking through the skies and down a flying through the door. With the side square through sides, let's go! Ah, look out, here comes a curveball, step to a wave, swing through. Spin the top, turn right, three-quarter boy, move up to her right hand, single hinge. Girls run around the boys, reverse roll her away. Swing my girl and all promenade, should have been a freight train, honey, should have been a 747, streaking through the skies and coming flying through the doors. Now, 4 engineers promenade inside the ring. Cut back and swing the caboose. Join hands, circle. Don't you wish you'd have gotten in there now? Now, and left your corner, weave around that ring. Should have been a freight train, honey. Should have been an instant locomotive. And a whistle on down the track and coming crashing through your door. Should have been a jet plane, honey. Should have been a 747. Streaking through the skies and coming flying through your doors. All the way to the middle and you come on by. Should have been a freight train, oh yeah. You know, this next song it's on the Riverboat Records, and it's called Pickle Up a Doodle. Now this thing was done 100 years ago, probably about the time most of you were born. I used to call that thing, and it was a nice piece of music, but it wasn't right. It wasn't a 64 beat, what we usually have. So my friend up here, this is Mr. Bob Elling, and he is the owner producer of Riverboat Records. And you're going to be on recordings tonight, also, as well as on Facebook or YouTube. Now, this next song, when he asked me to record it, and I said, yeah, I'll do it. I did it years ago. I can do it again. And when he sent it to me, I thought, well, I'll just breeze right through this because I know the song. But he said, no, I want it done like it was originally done. And who's the little gal did that? Was Brenda Lee, wasn't it? No. Yeah. No. Was Brenda Lee did it?
Yeah, Brenda Lee did.
Brenda Lee did it 100 years ago. And I said, Bob, did you hear all those words in that song? And he said, yeah, you'll have to do them. Now this song is about the devil. This song's about, and that day he was the devil. Made me do that. Here's the song. See what you think of it. It's a phase 2+1.
Yeah, phase 2+1.
This is the story. It's a good story. Circle that. Did you ever hear the story of Belinda Only Q? She was courted by the devil and she don't know what to do. Left down him and that corner lady, turn your partner right. Go back down and let your corner weave the ring tonight. Well, he came a-courting every evening. With a whole double hoop shot, rig a lava dope, and a doodle and a daddle, and a couple of smoke, and a heaping and a huffing, and a chicken, and a choking, and a pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. Come on, you promenade the ring and take a half around that floor. You come down the middle with a right or left do and turn your girl once more. You'll touch a quarter, and that boy you run to the right. Make a right-hand star and turn that star around tonight. Head started, go once inside the ring, go with the corner lady swing and sway. Promenade, go round that way, and get her back home and say, and a pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. Those heads promenade the ring and you're halfway around that floor. You come down the middle with a right or left do and turn your girl once more. Yay! You'll touch a quarter then, boy, you run right. Make a right-hand star and turn it once around tonight. Head started, go once inside the ring, go with the corner lady swing and sway. Promenade to go around that way and you get her back home and say, and you pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. Circle left. Well, now Belinda got to thinking she would be the devil's wife. It was better than just being an old maid all of her life. Left out and that corner girl and turn your partner right. Go back and out and let your corner weave the ring again. Well, he came a-courting every evening with a whole double hook shot, rig a lava dope, and a doodle and a dab, and a puff of my smoke, and a heaping and a huffing and a floor, halfway around you go. Down the middle with the right left do, turn the girl once more. Now touch your porter, boy, run right. Make a right hand star, turn your star, go once around nine. Side star left in her, be round, ring go ah. With the corner lady swing and sway, promenade, go round that way, and get her back home, I say, and the pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. Why now the side, couple in your promenade, go half around that floor. Come into the middle and a right or left do, and turn your girl once more. Yay, you'll touch a border there. Boy, you run right. Make a right and star and turn and watch her around at nine. Those side star left inside the ring go ah. With the corner lady swing and sway, promenade, go round that way, and you get her back home, I say, and you pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. Circle left. Well, the devil took Melinda and he claimed her with a kiss, and no one's ever seen her from that fatal day till this. Left down the man that corner, girl, and turn your partner right. Go back and out of man left your corner, weave the ring tonight. Well, he won't be courting indeed. Well, hold up a hoop, y'all, break a lot of dope, and a doodle in a da, little hop, a smoke, and a heaping, and a hopping, and a chicken, and a choking, and a pickle up a doodle in the middle of the day. In the middle of the day. That's a good song. That's a good song, Bob. You did very good on that. If anybody like to purchase any music, see my friend Bob up here. If you're a square dance caller, he has a special deal for you. Just the pink ribbon dance, and I hope you're all thinking about coming to that. Are you thinking about that? We made almost $8,000 last year. Not on our dance, but that was a big part of it. So if you could do that, why pick up a flyer out front, do that. Also, one more commercial. If anybody like to go on a beautiful vacation, see Shirley Ivins over here. We're going on a cruise to Hawaii. We'd love to have you join us. 15 days, and it's not your regular cruise. This is a cruise of a lifetime. If you have an anniversary or getting married, or getting divorced, or whatever, and you want to really celebrate, it would be a good thing to do. Take a look at it, okay? Here we go, Wade Driver's news. Circle left. Every night I'm lying in bed, holding you close in my dreams. Left out man, turn your partner right hand. Left out man, weave the ring now. We tried to talk it over, but the words got in the way. I know you were trying to give me the best of your love. Why now those heads promenade, rolling halfway around there, coming right and left through. Circle left. Well, I was born with a dark cloud above me and a wrong wind deep in my soul. The men started right, rolled it once around that ringo, left out a man and you either ring. The grass is greener on the other side, so eyes are always blue. I won't stop running till I'm satisfied. If wishes were horses, I would ride, ride, ride. Hit your promenade and go halfway around, down the middle square, do you know? It's four hands around the ring and touch quarter there. Scoot back. Boy, run, girl, come on. Smart, do it, pass, do it, lick your tread by. Swing that corner promenade. I won't stop running till I'm satisfied. If wishes were horses, I would ride, ride, ride. Take her, kid. Pickable's promenade to go half around, halfway there. Come in and square through and say four.